Wcoin has just made a few huge updates concerning the NFTs and of course the upcoming airdrop. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys everything you need to do. But anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Inoko Kedire and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. Now, of course, as you guys can see, I'm now in the W community on Telegram, and they said here, W pre-market last call. So this is for those people that have not yet claimed their Wcoin pre-market NFTs, or they also called it vouchers. So they said the Wcoin NFT pre-market is coming to an end. Of course, they said it started with mates. This is your last chance to claim a voucher if you haven't already. Now, only a few days left. Check the airdrop tab and grab yours before it is too late. This is the final call for everyone who wanted in. And when the vouchers are gone, a next chapter begins. Now, that is what actually drew my attention to this post, which means that now, if you do not claim the NFT vouchers, you might have no chance to claim it again. But basically, what they are hinting at there is that the airdrop, the real TGE and airdrop will be the next thing to take that space. Now, we're just going to go right into the app. We're going to click claim NFT, and the jackpot thing is still on. But then, if you guys see, this is the home screen. You can see this gift box icon in the middle. That is where you need to go to claim your NFTs. Now, I already made a video about this. It will be in the corner somewhere. That is where you guys just need to go straight up and just follow the prompt, claim your NFTs, pay the fee to mint them, also get the getgems.io, and then you can just trade your NFTs on the NFT market. I already made a video about that, so I'm going to put that in the corner somewhere. But of course, today, basically, as you guys can see, this is my screen. You know, the mates, task, WAI, and boost, everything is still going on. Make sure you keep claiming. Airdrop's coming very soon. And they've just hinted that that airdrop icon may be in the same place. So as you guys see, I just clicked it, now the center, and it was Wcoin pre-market. Congratulations, vouchers was sent to your wallet. Now, if you have this message, it means that you are okay. You do not need to do anything at all. But if you do not have this message and you can claim the vouchers, please do that right away. Now, only some people were eligible to claim the vouchers. Now, I'm very sure, or I suspect, that is not available for everyone. Some people still even had problems claiming their NFTs till today. If you're one of those people, just message W support. The link would also be in the description below. That is the support channel for Wcoin on Telegram. But of course, this is basically what you have to see. If you see this when you're done with everything, it means you are safe. Now, apparently, this page will be changed very soon, where the Wcoin pre-market vouchers will be out. This page will be changed to the airdrop page. So this is probably where we're going to see the airdrop calculations and our final TGE results, because you guys know listing is coming in less than 20 days for you to check if your NFTs are in your wallet. So for example, you've done these steps already, but you do not know where your NFTs are. All you need to do is come all the way to settings, go to your wallets. Then when you get to your wallets, just scroll all the way down. So you have wallets and ton space. Just scroll all the way down and you go to collectibles in ton space, okay, not in your wallet. Your wallet is decentralized. It is not connected to Telegram at all. This is your own wallet, like your Trust wallet and all of those things. So then just go all the way to ton space and then go to collectibles. When you go all the way to collectibles, you're going to see everything you've gotten from the ton ecosystem, from the ton channel. Over here, you guys can see I've got 2 Wcoin pre-market left because I apparently sold one in the video I made for you guys a long time ago. You will see anyways all of your NFTs here, okay? So if you do not see them here, then there is a problem. It's either you've put them already on getgems.io and it has been bought by someone, or you have not claimed it at all. Now, let's just go all the way back this time now to getgems.io to see what it's currently trading for. Now let's go all the way to connect wallets. All you have to just connect it to your Telegram. Easy. It's connecting now to your Ton space. And then after doing that, back to get gems. You guys can see I'm now connected. This is the pre-market. This is what it is currently trading at, as you guys can see. So we have for auction. We also have for sale. Now, the lowest trading currently is trading for 0.38 ton. In my opinion, this is a very good time. I think this time of the market is a very good time to swap some of these NFTs. It is a very, very good time to swap some of these NFTs. But then if we were supposed to go for auction, let's see if we can even get it lower. 1 second, I'm going to do the price from low to high. Minimum bid is 0.32 ton. It's still the same thing as just swapping it directly. So we are going to buy a couple. We're going to buy a couple for sale, and we're going to buy a couple. Let's see, how much ton do we have for starters before we start trying to buy anything? Okay, we have just 1 ton. We have just 1 ton currently. So we're going to buy, we can actually buy 2 or 3 of them. So that's crazy, guys. We can actually buy 2 or 3 of them. So let's click this one for sale. Buy now. Buy for, oh, that is not the price. Cancel. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yes. Network fee is 0.3 ton. It is the exact price as buying 1. That is just very crazy, guys. But then that is crazy. That is actually crazy. So apparently we can only buy 1. So let's just buy 1 of it. Go to wallets and buy 1 of the vouchers. So right now I'm going to currently have 5 back. Now we have this problem that it is not loading. This is a very crucial problem that happened. In the last video, I told you guys, just use your Ton Space. It is very, very, very fast with the Ton Space wallet. So let's do this again. Let's log out. We're going to just log out and then go to Wcoin pre-market. And then we're going to go for sale once again, and then buy the cheapest one on the market. Buy now. Buy for 0.68. And now we're going to just use Ton Keeper to connect our wallet so that we do not have any problems. So it says connect to getgems.io, connect. And then it says it is done. So we're going to go all the way back. As you guys can see. Oh, this NFT is no longer for sale. Crazy. So people are now active on the market because of what because of what was just posted. So let's try the second one real quick. Buy now. Go Ton Keeper. We just buy it. 0 out of 1 actions completed. It's still loading, so we're just going to wait here for a while. And finally, as you guys can see, it says actions completed. And then we're just going to go back to profiles. So right now, we currently have 3 out of 3 NFTs again. Okay, we sold 1, but now we currently have 3 out of 3. And you guys can see these are all of my NFTs. Not for sale, not for sale, not for sale. I currently got 3 all the way back. Now, if you want to sell yours, how do you sell yours? All you need to do is just, let's go all the way out. This is my own profile. This is all I've got. So if you want to sell yours, come back all the way to Wcoin pre-market. You can see everything here. Then you need to use this filter over here. Then you see all types for sale, for auction, not for sale. Then next you see coins. That's not what you should be going for. Then next you'll see ownership, my NFTs. So I'm going to click on my NFTs, and then you guys can see everything that I've currently got. So I could list one of this one again. I could put it on sale. I could transfer the NFT or do whatsoever I want to do about it. Now, guys, I mean, if you were not opportune to get any of these NFT vouchers, I mean, you could easily swap one of them on the market currently. Ton is trading at an all-time low. not all time low, but very low. The NFTs are also going for very cheap. So I think this is the best time to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those NFTs if you want. Now, this is NFA, not financial advice, guys. I'm just educating you on what I am also doing, as you guys can see already. So that is basically everything I wanted to share with you guys in this video. If you have any questions about these things, please write it in the comment section. I'll be replying right away. So thanks so much, guys, for watching. Make sure you act fast, get yourself ready for that airdrop, and also make sure you claim all your NFTs because it will be out of vogue very, very soon. See you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Peace.